Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to download Clash Mini on the Android. So if you want to download this game on your Android phone, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the AnyVPN. So install it on your phone. And once you will do it, you have to change your location to the Finland. Once you will do it, after that you have to click on the settings, open your setting, and you have to add a new Google account which you can create from here in the account section. So once you will create your account, new account of the Google here, after that you have to log in with your new account on the Play Store and make sure you are using VPN while doing this. And once you will do it, you can search a Clash Mini right here and download it on your phone. So this is the simple way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.